Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
All right, sir, can you tell me your name?
Yes, Matthew John Noble Jr.
All right, this is the state of Michigan versus Matthew John Noble, 232532.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. James Gazicki on behalf of Mr. Noble. Waive reading of the complaint, stand mute. Your Honor, he's under doctor's care for a mental condition, has not had his medication. So if he's going to be incarcerated, I'd ask the court to mark a file medical. And he's also requesting court-appointed attorney. We're asking for a personal bond, Your Honor.
All right, how many bench warrants? Does he have any? Wexford, it looks like he's got
something
one.
He's got a warrant out of Wexford, which I understand is up by Cadillac. It looks like traffic. I don't think they'll come down for that, but.
No, they won't. All right, sir, did you go over your constitutional rights that are outlined on this advice of rights forms with your attorney?
Yes, I have, ma'am.
Did you understand those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you give your attorney permission to sign your name on this advice of rights form?
Yes.
Okay. I've signed the request for a court-appointed attorney. Sir, you're here today charged with, and I've entered a not guilty plea on his behalf for arraignment on one count of domestic violence against an individual named Teresa Mary Fick. That is a misdemeanor punishable by 93 days and or $500. So as to bond, Mr. Gazicki, I know you're asking for a personal. I don't see that he has any holds.
Yes, Your Honor. He's only got like 2 misdemeanor convictions.
Yeah, I don't see any.
The last one was 2019. And he's also below the poverty level, Your Honor. He's on SSI.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You have significant concerns about the complainant's safety in this case. So he can have a $15,000. It will be a personal bond, but it's with a GPS tether. Sir.
Yes.
All right. Medical and mental on his paperwork because he's going to have to go downtown to be fitted with that tether. Sir, you're to appear in court as directed. You're not to leave the state without permission of the court. You're not to commit any new crimes while released. You're to immediately notify the court of change of address or phone number. You're to have no contact with Teresa Fick. Do you understand me, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
And I want to be very clear about what I mean by no contact. You can't have any contact of any kind. I mean no contact. You can't call her, write her, email her. You can't send her anything. You can't go to where she lives or works. You can't have someone else do any of these things either. You can't text message, instant message, email, tweet, or any form of communication or contact her through any listserv, Facebook, etc. Do you understand me?
Yes, ma'am.
If she's in your phone or electronic devices, you're to delete her immediately. If you send her a blank message, I'll consider it to be contact and it will be no defense that you accidentally contacted her. If you go to a store, restaurant, or party and she is there, you must leave immediately. If she contacts you, do not reply. This is an order of the court. The person named as the victim in this case cannot change, alter, or amend this order in any way. She can't change it, only I can. If she were to invite you over or ask to meet you somewhere or contact you for any reason, you cannot violate this court's no contact order. And if you do, you will go to jail. If the order needs to be changed in the future, we will hold a hearing when both sides are present. Do you understand me?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Fick, I'm going to be crystal clear to you. If there are any allegations of contact violations of this order, I will put you in the Wayne County Jail and you will sit there for the pendency of this case, and I will lose zero sleep about that, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
You're not to go to Ms. Fick's work or home. You can't even be on her block. Do you understand me?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Anything else?
So, I have one question. So am I getting a personal bond out of here?
You have a $15,000 personal bond, but you're getting a GPS tether so that I can make sure you don't violate my order. You're also not to purchase or consume alcohol or illegal drugs. You can't possess or have access to firearms.
Okay.
All right?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
All right, sir, you're all set. Thank you.
Mr. Miller will be next, Your Honor. I'll be right back.